Hi, this video is on Lucknow city. Actually, we were coming back from Dudhwa National Park. So our flight was from Lucknow airport for Bombay. So actually we had only one day to visit Lucknow city. So we could not cover much. But next time for sure I am going to visit Lucknow because it's a beautiful city. So whatever we have covered, please watch the video till the end. I have not covered only monuments, but there are few other things which I have covered. So watch till the end. Thank you. Okay, so we have arrived at Lucknow airport, and for me this is for the first time. I'm landing at Lucknow and I'm waiting to see city. It has been in my wish list since long.
The Lucknow city, the city of Nawabs, kebabs, sweets, and of course the Lucknowi Tehzeeb. I wish I could get the famous Lucknowi parathas, naans or kulchas with this hot, strong morning tea.
Okay, so we are in Lucknow now and say hi.
Hi.
We are in Lucknow now and we are staying in a area called Gomti Nagar. This area looks a posh area in Lucknow, I think. There are bungalows around and we have booked a nice cute bungalow through Airbnb. It's a comfortable stay, very beautiful bungalow. They have maintained well. So see you later.
Lucknow is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh, situated at the bank of Gomti River. The mix of Hindu and Muslim culture makes the city unique, and old historical monuments make it charming.
So now we are at Bada Imam Bara. This is a beautiful old building. There's a lovely garden around and lovely flowers. So we are just entering inside.
Bada Imam Bara. This marvelous building is a huge prayer place constructed by Asaf-ud-Daula, Nawab of Awadh, that is Uttar Pradesh in present time. It was constructed to give employment during famine which lasted for more than a decade.
So you can see a beautiful building behind me. So the whole structure is Bada Imam Bara, which was built by Nawab of Awadh in 1784.
We are entering in 7-storied Shahi Bauli, that is Royal Stepwell. The interesting thing about it is constructed at such an angle that if some visitor come at the gate, his shadow is reflected in the water and guards of the Nawab can see it. This huge structure of Bada Imam Bara is an example of beautiful Mughal architecture.
This is such a beautiful monument, but few Indians जिनको अपना नाम अमर कर देना है, इन लोग अमर हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे.
you can see the beautiful Mughalai style of balconies. Do not miss to see the carvings done on the arches of these balconies. Okay, I think there is a way to go down now. So we'll check where it is. It's a beautiful building. Lovely carvings. Let's see how to go down now. Hi, who sketched this? Very nice.
Thank you.
So you both are from
Architecture.
okay. So what you'll do with this? I mean, just for your reference or?
No, it is a case study हम लोग को कॉलेज में मिला है.
Okay.
प्रोजेक्ट में तो उसको स्टडी करने के लिए.
Wow, nice. All the best.
One.
These huge antique chandeliers hanging from high roofs increases the beauty of the hall. These huge, high and beautifully carved roofs and these small jharokhas with jali style of carvings on it tries to tell the stories of Nawabs. Going to Bhul Bhulaiya. Somebody suggested me this is a very beautiful thing, something different. You can see a small structure there. This is called Rumi Darwaza. And this is Sri Mosque. We are on top of Bhul Bhulaiya. You can see a beautiful view from here. This is the entrance to Bhul Bhulaiya.
डियर मोहन, प्यारे मोहन.
Wow.
और ये क्या है? आई लव यू. अश्विन. अश्विन है, पता नहीं कौन है. नेगी, वे नेगी जी आए थे यहाँ पे.
There are small narrow entrances. Looks confusing where to go.
तुम जूम करके रखी हो क्या?
नहीं
हाँ देखो.
नहीं जूम कहाँ है?
अब अभी ठीक है.
Now we have lost the way to go down and to go out of this building. भूल भुलैया में आने से भूले नहीं तो क्या मतलब है. We are literally searching the way how to come out of this video. Let's see if this is the way to walk.
चलिए ऊपर चलो, फोटो ले लो।
So finally we have got the way to go out. We did it. Wow. This is Rumi Darwaza, which we saw from top of Imambara.
Lucknow city is the artistic hub. The elegant Indian classical dance Kathak is originated from here. The great Kathak dancers like Lachu Maharaj Ji, Achan Maharaj Ji, Shambhu Maharaj Ji and Birju Maharaj Ji have kept this tradition alive. Many eminent singers like Begum Akhtar are from Lucknow. Apart from this, there are many classical instrumental artists too.
So this is Madhurima and we are going to have some chaat. Looks interesting. Let's see.
Lucknow is also famous for its chaat and kebabs. If you are a non-vegetarian foodies, then try Tunde's kebabs. Since we are vegetarians, we were happy with our katori chaat, dahi sev puri and pani puri. And if you have a sweet tooth, then you must have sweets of Lucknow. It's a dinner time. You should try food in Bati Chokha restaurant. They have given the typical village kind of look to the restaurant. Batis are made here. They have different food items and everything is tasty. But if you have Bati Chokha here, then the taste will remain forever. They serve with different types of chutneys, pure ghee and salad. Lucknow is also very famous for its traditional embroidery chicken curry, which has come from Persian culture. By the way, what is लखनवी तहजीब? नीलेश मिश्रा जी के शब्दों में, हम लखनऊ वाले हैं, हम लखनऊ वाले हैं। हम मैं नहीं कहते हैं, हम तो हम बोलते हैं। तू नहीं करते हैं, हम तो आप बोलते हैं। हम डांटते भी हैं तो उसमें चाशनी घोलते हैं। हम लखनऊ वाले हैं, हम लखनऊ वाले हैं।